It took me 7 months to make $3 from Facebook, and I'm wondering, is that how I will buy my first car? See, it's not magic. In this video, I'll be showing you why your Facebook earnings are low. Why you make a post and you go back to check and you see that you are having 0.01. It's not even up to 1 cent. Some of you will get 0.02, and you're like, what is this? Is this how I will buy my first car? So in this video, I'll be showing you why your Facebook earnings are low and how you're going to fix it. So let's head on to Facebook. You're going to be going to your dashboard. Go to your dashboard on Facebook when you get to Facebook. So when you get to your Facebook dashboard, just go to under monetize. Go, that is your monetization angle. Then go under content monetization. So when you get to content monetization, then scroll down. You see this place they wrote your earning rate. That is the magic. That is where you check your earning rate. Because this earning rate will show you what you earn for your content, how your earnings are calculated. So let's go to your earning rates. So you see, you are seeing it under Reels. My earning rate here is showing 0.16 per 1,000 qualified views. So you see it when you post a reel. This is how you know your earning rate, to know why your earnings are low, why you don't make money from Facebook, why you keep on posting and you don't make any money. This is how you know it. And from here, I already have 5 qualified views. So that means I have to have 1,000 qualified views to be able to make 0.16 cents. In fact, this earning rate self has even increased, because the last time I checked it, it was 0.01 per 1,000 qualified views before I checked it. But now I'm surprised that the earning rate just went up, and I'll be showing you how to actually improve your earning rate. So this is how you know how much you earn from your reels, to know that how much Facebook pays you per your qualified views. For instance, let me explain this thing. Let me break it down. If you have 500 views on a particular video and you have maybe 200 views on another video, maybe you keep on calculating it so you get to 1,000. But if you can get 1,000 views from one video and even more, they will pay you for those qualified views. So that is how you start making money from this platform. So let me show you how to improve your earning rate. Just go to your earning potential. Then go to your earning potential. See how you can improve your earnings. Just see it here. Your earning potential is good, but you have to be at excellent to be able to earn well. Good is not actually good enough. You have to be at excellent, because it's just here at the back. Then they say content originality, fair. That means your content are not so original. Then they have audience engagement, fair. People are not so much engaging on your content. Then we have global reach. Global reach is never there. That means you are not even recommendable yet. So that is why your earning rate is low. So work on these things. If you can work on these things, I tell you that your earning rate is going to increase. You can work on your content originality. Post only original content that you shoot by yourself. Don't go and start copying people's content and posting. If you post content that you by yourself, you shoot it, you edited it and posted it, then your originality will now enter excellent, because we have good, we have fair, we have good, and we have excellent, and we have all this engagement. You have to post content that will make people engage on your content, that will make people engage, that will keep their eyes on your content. Now, after they finish watching it, they will also come back and comment. So you have to drop do a post actually engaging content. So if you're actually interested in a small circle of people that just want you to grow yourself on Facebook and all that, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be dropping a link. They just join that group now, and from there we'll take it up. In fact, on the comment section, I will give you more explanation. We'll just be there. We are Facebook, like this is a Facebook content creator groups, and we are just there supporting ourselves. So just drop you just check the comment section and you will be seeing it. You'll be seeing the WhatsApp group. Just joined, and we're going to be supporting you, encouraging you, and pushing you, supporting ourselves. To join the group is free. Yes, it's not paid, but there are rules to it. So just join the group, and they're going to be helping you out in to grow and earn more on Facebook. So that is it. Check your earning rates. In fact, let me show you another page, the earning rate for another page, because this one is a page now. So I'll just show you the earning rate for another page, so that you know that everybody has different earning rate. My earning rate cannot be your earning rate. As somebody's earning 0.16 cents now, on that person's earning rate can even be maybe $2. per 1,000 views, and their own can even be $50 per 1,000 views. So you are seeing it's your content originality. If you can work on your earning potentials, your earnings is going to increase. So now I'm in a different page entirely now, and I want to show you the earning rate of this particular page, so that you see that every page is different. Every page is different. So you can see we must make money from this Facebook. We must make money. It's our attempt to make money. We must make money. So don't actually feel bad if your earnings are low. Just work on it. Work on your on. Just work on your earning rate. So this is on that platform now. Let me show you the earning rate for this particular page. I'll just be covering the page so that I will not be violating anything. So this page now, the earning rate is showing 0.02 cents per 1,000 qualified views. So this earning rate is very low, 0.02 cents per 1,000 qualified view. The first one I showed you is 0.16 cents. This one is 0.02, even less than a cent per 1,000 qualified view. And so far, this page already has 2,000 qualified views now. That means this person is going to be earning 0.04. Here you see it's very low. So to make money on Facebook, just go to your earning potential. So let's check the earning potential. Okay, this one is even showing very good, excellent, and fair. So if you have learned something from this video, it's number one, work on your earning potential. Once you can work on your earning potential, your earnings are going to increase. Your earning rate is going to increase. So do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure that you always like my videos. So turn on your notification button. Whenever I post, you're going to be seeing this video. Thanks so much for watching this video. I love you so much. Bye bye.